Hello guys, it's Dale here. In this video I'll talk about gold because I think that it may be time to start thinking about buying gold. So in this video I'll show you why, but before that let me remind you about a strategy which I posted on my website, because in this video I'll be talking about this strategy. So if you go to the videos section on my website, then the strategy I'll be talking about today is in detail described in this video. The strategy is called ABCD pattern, and I'm going to use this one in today's analysis. So if you don't know what this strategy is all about, then you may want to check out this video. So let me now switch over to the gold chart and show you what I have in mind here. So what you see before you is a trading view platform. This is gold chart. It is a daily chart because this is a long-term analysis and I'm doing that with the daily chart. And let me show you what I have in mind here. If you remember, the ABCD strategy goes like this. You're looking for significant swing points, right? So like this swing point will be called point A. Then it goes down, the price goes down to swing point B, then it goes up to swing point C, which needs to be above the 50% mark between A and B. If you look at this Fibo, then you can see that the 50% mark is in here, the C is above it, which is fine. And the next thing you do is you take the Fibo, you don't change it in any way because we are measuring the distance, and you place it like this, so it begins in the point C, and right here this should be the level D, which is a support, and the price should bounce off this support. So now the price is heading towards the level D, towards the support, and from this point to D it should go up. As you can see, the price is pretty close to that level, so I recommend watching out for this level because chances are that the price will reverse here. So this is the ABCD setup on the daily chart on gold. We just need to wait for the price to hit the level D. And as you can see on my screen, I also have a volume profile printed here. The reason is that I wanted to show you that in here, massive volumes were traded. And those massive volumes were traded right before the price went aggressively upwards. This is telling us that buyers were accumulating long positions in here, and then they pushed the price aggressively upwards. So this is telling us that this zone could be important zone for strong buyers who are accumulating their long positions here. And when the price hits this zone, it is likely that the buyers from this zone will want to become active and push the price upwards. Again, this is the zone. As you can see, it is right below our support, which is pretty cool because we have another support which is based on volume profile setup. Both supports are telling us that this is a zone where the price should turn and go upwards from. Alright, so it's a combo of two trading setups. I always like to look for combos like this in my trading. I usually don't rely only in one trading strategy when I'm trading, but I'm looking for multiple confirmations of levels from which I trade. Right, so this is my take on gold. There was something a bit similar on the SP 500 index, so let me show you real quick. So this is the S&P 500 index daily chart, and in here there's also the ABCD setup. So this is the point A, this is the point B, then somewhere between A and B, but above 50% mark, should be the point C, which is in here. So this is the point C. So the price went from A to B, then to C, then downwards, and we take the Fibbo and move it like this. So it begins in the point C, and this is D. From D, as you can see, the price is already reacting very nicely. So this is the support from which the price is turning very nicely right now. Now in this case, I also have the volume profile here, and I'm looking into this uptrend area, and what I have in mind is this significant volume cluster, those heavy volumes which got formed in here, and those represent a strong support. This is the support zone. Very similar scenario as I showed you on gold. Only in this case, the heavy volume zone was formed within an uptrend. On gold, it was at the beginning of the uptrend. But still, we have two trading setups. One is volume profile setup. The other one is price action setup, the ABCD setup. And both are pointing us to this support from which, as you can see, the price is already turning. So that's what I wanted to show you in today's analysis. I hope you guys liked it. If you are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then I recommend visiting my website, which is trader-dale.com. And if you click this button, then it will take you to a page where you can browse my education and indicators. In here, this is the Elite Pack, which will teach you how to trade with volume profile. Below that, there's the order flow pack, which will teach you how to trade with the order flow. Both packs also include my custom-made indicators for NinjaTrader, MetaTrader, and TradingView platforms. If you want, you can check out videos, this one and this one, as those will show you everything that you are going to get more in detail. So that's about that. That's about the video. Thanks for watching, and I will be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading.